Okay, so today, by the way, this is Robert from Bee Sweet Honey. Hope you're having a blessed day. Today we've got this double deep hive in one of our apiaries, and they're doing fantastic. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to put a honey super or a medium on top of this, so they can go ahead and start storing some honey for the summer. So we're also going to be utilizing our new 3-in-1 Super Shim, and this is going to give them some additional entrances here in the front, and I'll show you how that's going to do that. It's a really easy process. So let's get started. So I'm going to do this without smoking the bees. Hopefully it's going to go well. We'll see. Okay, since I'm not going to smoke the bees, I'm going to move really slow, and I'm going to try to keep the vibrations when I separate this to a minimum, and see if we can do this without getting them too agitated. I haven't been in this box today, so I have no idea how these girls are feeling about things today, so we will see. I'll move slow. I'm going to gently pry this off like a clamshell. I'm going to move really slow. I'm going to try not to drop anything. Alright, that's great. So what I'm going to do now is the way that we approach the 3-in-1 shim is I am going to put the queen excluder down gently. And then I am going to put the 3-in-1 Super Shim. So in this particular case, because this hive is doing so well, I'm actually got 3 entrants here, but you can have, anytime you buy a 3-in-1 Super Shim, you'll get a 3 entrance, a 2 entrance, and a 1 entrance. And you can interchange these as you wish. Some people like 1. In my case, I'm going 3. I'm going all in, so I'm hoping to give these girls an entrance up here at the top. So what I do here is I get it all centered up. It's looking good. And I find the Super Shim works best if you put it on after you put the queen excluder. And then I'm going to put my box up here. This is my medium. I call it a medium. Some people call it a honey super. I'm going to center up my frames. This box right here was honey, a box of mediums or that we harvested honey from last year. So I think most of this, if this was, yeah, so most of this still has a lot of the comb here that after we extracted the honey, we just put it up, stored it for the winter time, and now we'll put it on here. And so that way the girls, I always like to call my bees the girls because the girls do most of the work, if not all the work. So that's on there. That's great. Very low disturbance. A lot of bees here. Because I was gentle, moved slowly, and I didn't do a lot of vibration, they actually just stayed on the inner cover. All right, got the inner cover on. And I'm putting the Be Smart cover back on. I really like these covers. They're made out of plastic, and they've got air pockets between the inside, the underneath side, and the top. There's actually an air pocket, and so it does a great job insulating you from the heat, especially here in Texas. So just going to put my weight on there, and we're done. And so now, after a few days, the bees will figure out they've got 3 new entrances here. So now they have the one at the bottom, So if they want to, they can walk up through the brood chamber and get to the honey super, or they can merely just bypass those deeps and they can go right in using this entrance that we just included with a 3-in-1 Super Shim. So hope you enjoyed the video. You guys have a blessed day. See you later.